last correct answer. Pick me a category, please. That was Constitution for 2. Go ahead. Quick. 4.
Equal rights for 2.
Equal rights for 2. Where is all men are created equal written? Got it.
Preamble.
-2. Oh my God. -2. Who had it next? Megan, go ahead. Declaration of Independence. That's right. Fatima's group on the board. On the board. Declaration of Independence. That was equal rights for 2. Fatima's group. Pick me a category. Pick me a category. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go equal rights for 3.
Equal rights for 3. List all you can. Your group has it. Then first hand I see. Firefighters. You got it next. Go ahead. You've got it second. You guys have it now.
So it was an issue in Connecticut where there was a test for firefighters needed to pass in order to become firefighters, right? So there were...
Okay, there was a test that firefighters needed to take in order to become firefighters.
There were African Americans who didn't pass. Proportionally, there was like 27 of them that didn't pass.
Okay.
And then what had happened was that the state threw it out immediately because there were only 27 firefighters that took the test.
There were only 27 firefighters. -3. -3. Okay. Who do we say? You got it next. Okay, talk to me.
There were 118 people that took it.
118. But where was this test?
It was in
New Haven, Connecticut. So 118 people took this test in New Haven, Connecticut. 1, 2, 3. Tell me more.
Of the 118, 27 of them were black.
27 of them were black takers. 1, 2, 3. Tell me more.
All the 27 did not pass the first test.
Who did pass?
A total of 18 passed.
18 did pass. 1, 2, 3.
One of them was Latino.
One was Latino and the other 17 were white. Okay, and so what was the issue here?
They canceled the test because they thought they could possibly get a lawsuit on the basis of discrimination.
Okay, they thought that they were. Who was going to sue?
The people who had failed the test, the black people who had failed the
Okay,
test.
so the black takers that failed would sue. Anything else?
So they administered a new test, but there was a white man that passed who had learning disability.
Did they administer a new test?
No,
they didn't administer a new test. -3. 1, 2, 3. Who was next?
I didn't.
Who was next? Go ahead. Okay, so we're at the point now where the test is being challenged. What did the city do?
The city wanted to administer a new test.
Okay, the city wanted to administer a new test.
When they proposed that, the guy stepped up who had the learning disability.
Who was this guy?
He was the guy with the learning disability.
He was the guy with the learning disability. Frank Ricci. Frank Ricci was the one. This is Teresa's group. 1, 2, 3. Frank Ricci, he came in 6th out of 128 people. So he was in line to get one of the jobs, right? Okay, tell me more.
There was only I think 15 jobs and only 18 people passed.
Okay.
I don't know if that's like any.
All right, so why did Frank Ricci sue?
All right, so
Frank Ricci.
Okay, so he said, so he's got learning disabilities, and so he said he spent thousands of dollars on these books, classes.
Okay.
He
Quit his part-time job.
Quit his part-time job. So Frank Ricci made significant sacrifice. He passed the test. He did what he was supposed to do, but he's going to get the job?
No, because they're gonna not yet, because they're gonna throw out all the test scores.
They were going to throw out all the tests.
And then they're planning on administering another one. So Frank Ricci sued why?
Because he felt that he was discriminated
Because he
against.
thought that he was discriminating. Has there been a ruling on this?
No.
No.
Not at this point. Anybody want to add anything else? Your group got it.
Judge Sotomayor was one of the judges that...
That's really good. Yeah, that's true.
Hey, that should be +6.
+6?
That's right, yeah.
-3. -3. We're going. Anything else? Go ahead.
He also just threw the test out and just went to this next test administrator that said, "Oh, I can make this."
And they never
more
reviewed.
fair.
That's true. They never did anything. They never did anything basically to prove that there was racism in the test. They just said because all of the black takers failed, that was proof enough that there was something wrong with it. Go ahead.
They intentionally did not bring all of the people into the suit that passed the exam. They specifically brought just the person that had the learning disability, Frank Ricci.
Frank Ricci's got a hell of a case in this. He really, really does, and this is going to be very contentious. Anything else? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anybody else want to say anything?
Let's go to the Supreme Court for a final decision.
That's true, but that's not a good fact. So we're going to stop there. That was equal rights for 3. Pick me a category.